Original man. He is the maker, the owner, the cream of the planet Earth, God of the universe.
We did not come to America on slave ships. We were already here. We are the original man. This is our land. We've been here since time immemorial.
Well, Malcolm, if your people really were so advanced, why are they always at the bottom of every chart?
Because you rigged the damn chart. You ran eugenics, sabotaged our schools, assassinated our leaders, and now you dare to call the victim ignorant? That ain't ignorance. It's engineered erasure by design. This ain't no cartoon. It's a psychological weapon designed to train your children to laugh at their own destruction. They branded us with ink so they could steal with impunity, then blamed us for bleeding.
But surely, Mr. X, these projects were built to help your communities.
Projects? You call eugenics and concrete cages help? They studied us like lab rats, boxed the black man in, cut off resources, sterilized our women, then labeled us dumb for not... You keep calling us African Americans to keep us from realizing we're the true proprietors of the American landmass. That name is a diversion, a legal trap that lets you steal the allodial title.
What? We let you in with peace and you stole the land, broke every treaty, enslaved our children, and even now your behavior hasn't changed. You rape the earth and call us criminals.
You orchestrated centuries of eugenics, sterilization, and institutional sabotage, and then you sit here suit and tie telling me the black man is undereducated? That's not folly. That's premeditated sociogenetic war.
You dare to call my people uneducated while quoting books we wrote and systems we built. You are the Tomahawk, the imitator civilized by us, then turned thief.
What you ever disrespect my people like that again, I'll kill you. You hear me? Ever again. I'll kill you. The term Asiatic black man don't mean from Asia overseas. It means the original man of the entire continental landmass once called Asia before your maps were redrawn. They buried our mound cities and pyramid towns under national parks and called them hills because they couldn't explain how a savage built what their top engineers still can't replicate. They tell you to look to Africa for your roots. But Africa is a Latin word for a Carthaginian province. You are an Asiatic black man. Do you know who owns the patent on the term African American? A corporation in North Carolina that trademarks it to sell beef and pork? They've turned your identity into a commodity, so you'll never realize that you are the aboriginal title holders of this land. And the United States Corporation is squatting on... We did not come to America on slave ships. We were already here. We are the original man, maker, owner, cream of the planet Earth, God of the universe. This is our land.
White folks stole our languages, our sciences, our gods, then wrote books calling us cultureless. They say we got no culture, but they were the ones crawling on all fours in the caves of Europe while we were mapping stars. Your story didn't start at a door of no return. The history books give us the Wild West to hide the Asiatic period of North America, when we were the masters of mechanized warfare and advanced technology. They buried our mound cities and pyramid towns...
Well, Malcolm, if your people really were so advanced, why are they always at the bottom of every chart?
Well, because you rigged the damn chart. You ran eugenics, sabotaged our schools, assassinated our leaders, and now...
In order for you and me to devise some kind of method or strategy to offset some of the events or a repetition of the events that have taken place here in Los Angeles recently, we have to go to the root. We have to go to the cause. Dealing with the condition itself is not enough. And it is because of our effort toward getting straight to the root that people oftentimes think we're dealing in hate. We are oppressed. We are exploited. We are downtrodden. We are denied not only civil rights, but even human rights. So the only way we're going to get some of this oppression and exploitation away from us or aside from us is come together against the common enemy. Who taught you to hate the texture of your hair? Who taught you to hate the color of your skin to such extent that you bleach to get like the white man? Who taught you to hate the shape of your nose and the shape of your lips? Who taught you to hate yourself from the top of your head to the soles of your feet? Who taught you to hate your own kind? Who taught you to hate the race that you belong to? So much so that you don't want to be around each other. No, before you come asking Mr. Muhammad, does he teach hate? You should ask yourself, who taught you to hate being what God gave you? And I, for one, as a Muslim, believe that the white man is intelligent enough. If he were made to realize how black people really feel
and how fed up we are without that old compromise and sweet talk. Stop sweet talking him. Tell him how you feel. Tell him what kind of hell you've been catching, and let him know that if he's not ready to clean his house up, if he's not ready to clean his house up, he shouldn't have a house. It should catch on fire and burn down.